Alright, welcome to a quick market update tour. We'll be analyzing Bitcoin specifically only inside this market update session. So let's get started. So the ETF inflows has been increasing. That's a good sign for the July. But the charts are really interesting for now. Let's get into the chart. We'll be explaining the move that I dropped out inside my private Discord server. These two charts basically. So right. So let's get started. If we draw the volume profile, the moment Bitcoin broke this 57,000 till now, you can see price just broke above the value area and failed to hold it. All right, my first entry criteria for the long was price breaking 58,500 US dollars, then should hold above this area. But for now, showing bad momentum right here. If this H4 candle basically closes inside this range, price can go all the way down towards the value area low, 56,000 US dollars. So this is very important candle, but won't discuss that right now. So if I shift on 1 day time frame, wanna analyze something with you about the bottom, right? Majority of the CT traders are now predicting the bottom, which is completely bullshit. No one can predict a bottom or a top because no one can predict a future, right? If it's a bottom, all right, if Bitcoin has bottomed out around this low, Bitcoin needs to reclaim above this February 2021 high, 58,500, a really important level, right? Bitcoin needs to flip above this area and then consolidate for 3 to 4 weeks minimum, because the bigger the cause is, the bigger would be the effect, right? Once it consolidates right here, it needs to get back inside the value area low. It's important, all right? Then we can expect a new all-time high. Until and unless price is below this range, the 3,000 US dollars range, and even above the 1 day value area low, it's completely bullshit to say that it is a bottom and just long with fucking 100x or 200x. All right, because if price fails, and even if you are inside my private Discord server, I analyzed Bitcoin deeply about the bullish divergence that we have on 1 day time frame. They are predicting this bullish divergence to be the bottom, and I explained in details why this bullish divergence is not the indication to long Bitcoin, right? Because if Bitcoin loses this level, that is around 54,000 something or 53,000, Bitcoin will go down all the way towards this area, because this is the next big zone where the value is. Of course, it has less chances, but everything is possible, right? So nothing to say about bottom, right? No one can predict it. But that's not be the stuff to be discussed right now. Shifting on 4 hour time frame, drawing the volume profile again, and now you can see Bitcoin is being rejected from the 50 EMA. It broke from it but failed to hold above this area, right? So now you need to wait for the price to break above this 50 EMA or the value area high, the same level, 58,500 US dollars. Price needs to hold above this value area, all right, to build some energy. Once it builds up or breaks above 58,500 and holds above that area, you can long Bitcoin with stops 57,000, and you can TP the 200 EMA. This may happen tomorrow because there's a CPI news coming. But unless and until my setup is not validated, I won't take a long trade, because if I explain the same move on much lower time frames like 15-minute, price is now currently on the 200 EMA and it's taking support from this area, right? But price has to do a lot before I go long. Price needs to flip back above 58,500 US dollars on this time frame. Needs to flip all these EMAs, the 50 EMA, the 100 one, and hold above this area. Then we'll be taking a long position on 4 hour time frame with stop 57,000 US dollars and TP 62,000 US dollar, right? Because this is a value area, right? On even on 4 hour time frame, we have to wait for our confirmations, right? So this 4 hour candle, as I discussed in the starting, is very important. If Bitcoin fails to flip back above the value area and gives this closing below the value area high, it will go all the way towards these areas, right? Because if you analyze it right here, price failed to get back above the value area high, close this candle inside this range, and then towards the value area low. Same right here and same right here even. Price get back towards the value area low, hold it, and then move towards the value area high. So this is a very important tool. You should learn it and use it inside your trading, right? So that's very simple for me. The entry criteria is 58,500 US dollars. The 50 EMA should be holded by Bitcoin on 4-hour time frame. Then we'll be longing this setup, right? So if I am long on Bitcoin, I'll be clearly telling inside my Discord server. If you're not inside my Discord server, you may join my Telegram. Once I am long, I'll be announcing it publicly that I am now in Bitcoin long, right? So if you are not inside my Discord, try to join it. And if you cannot join, then join my Telegram. It's completely free. So see you tomorrow. Get back to your charts, build your systems. See you soon. Bye.